How you doing, guys? Welcome to our Jiggers Repairs here with another video, and today we're working on a 2012 Nissan Versa. We're going to replace the blower motor as well as the blower motor resistor. Now, we all know that on these Nissan vehicles they love to put the blower motor on the driver's side, so it has to be removed from the driver's side. Never been a real big fan of that, but let's go ahead and get to it. Take a 10mm, go ahead and remove the hood release latch as well as the fuel door release latch and move it out the way. Take a Phillips head and remove the OBD2 port. Take a prop tool and insert it in this area so that you can remove this cover. You're going to take your hand and put it in this area so that you can release the clips holding this trim under the steering column. Make sure you disconnect the traction control off connector. Grab a 10mm, go ahead and remove this aluminum shield that is located under the steering column. Remove the accelerator pedal position sensor connector. Remove the two 10mm bolts that hold the accelerator pedal position assembly. Remove both connectors on the brake switches. Twist it counterclockwise to remove them. You're going to get a panel popping tool. You're going to reach under the pedal assembly and you're going to detach every plastic that is attached to this brake pedal housing. Once you remove the white clips, you should have enough slack on the wire harness to move it around. Remove the evaporator temperature sensor connector as well as the connector housing and move it out the way because we're going to need as much clearance as we can to remove the brake pedal bracket assembly. Unplug the blower motor resistor connector that's colored in brown and go ahead and move that harness out of the way. I decided to just jump the harness up in this area just to move it out of the way. We need as much clearance to remove this pedal assembly. Remove the cotter pin from the brake pedal shaft because you're going to need to remove that. With some pliers, go ahead and press both ends of the shaft and press it in with your finger so that it can go inward. And with your other hand, you can go ahead and remove it. This brake pedal bracket assembly has a total of 5 nuts. Locate them now. Use a long extension with a 14mm and remove all 5 nuts. Remove the brake pedal assembly. Take a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the blower motor resistor. It contains 2 screws. The blower motor resistor doesn't have to be removed to remove the blower motor, but we always replace it as an assembly. Locate the blower motor. The blower motor contains one Phillips head screw that has to be removed. Twist the blower motor counterclockwise to unlock it and go ahead and remove it. Insert the blower motor and go ahead and lock it in its position. Don't forget to connect the blower motor connector. Go ahead and install the brake pedal bracket assembly and install it in reverse order.